Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. I recently discovered something that you guys need to know, which is how to convert airtime to cash. It might happen that your brother in abroad or your sister living in another country send you money, and so since there is no any way of payment, you just send it as airtime, and when the money reach your account, you are unable to convert it to cash. Here I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to convert your airtime back to cash. In one of my videos then I posted how to do it, but it was only meant for MTN users. I use PalmPay then, but here is the main app I use, and the app is really working perfectly. Now go to your Play Store or App Store and download Aimtoget wallet. This is the app I'm talking about. This is how the logo looks like. It is called Aimtoget wallet. Now open it, and if it is your first time, they'll ask you to sign up, that is create account. Then you have to enter your email address. Now it will take you to this place. This is where you are going to receive the OTP, and to get your OTP you have to go to your email and check for OTP. As you can see, they have dropped it. This is my verification OTP. So after entering the OTP, it will take you to this place, and the first thing to do here is to enter your phone number. Then you have to next to the following step, and the second step here is to enter your name. You enter your first name, and this is my last name. Then here you have to choose your username. Click on next or continue, and it will take you to this place. This is where you enter your password, then you confirm. Now click on next. So as you can see, my account is ready and I can now log in. To log in, we have to enter our username or phone number. Then we have to enter the password also. Click on sign in. Not now. Alright, we have to save our Okay, let's go back. We have to enter our this thing. This is our 4-digit code. Alright, you can now continue. So it's not necessary to enter your BVN now. You can skip this. So this is where we're heading to, guys. Whenever you want to convert your airtime back to cash, you have to click on airtime to cash. You can see it now. And on this particular app, you can also do other services like airtime, buying of airtime, data, pay bills, naira pin, scan, and other things like referral. But here I'm going to use we are going to use these services, which is airtime to cash. Now you click on it, then you click on whether the instant or the manual. So in this case, you are going to enter your phone number. That is your phone number. If it is MTN, you click on MTN. Alright, so it depends on the amount you want to convert. If it is 10,000, kindly enter 10,000. But in this case, they are going to charge you 3,000 naira. So 10,000 will give you back 7,000. Alright, if it is Glow, let's say Glow. So if it is Glow, they'll give you 6,000. Look at it. It might seem that the charge is too much. So what will happen is, whenever you are in this kind of situation and you are facing the difficulty, maybe you come here and the charge might be too big for you. You have to go and look for someone that will do transfer to and collect your money. So that is how simple it is. And if you can't do the transfer by yourself, maybe you don't know the transfer code and the transfer pin, you have to drop hi in the comment section so that I can drop a new video on how to do it. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe for more videos.